Welcome to 2105 Bayshore Drive, a timeless luxury estate in the prestigious gated community of The Landing on Lake Grapevine. This reimagined European-inspired residence spans 2 private acres surrounded by mature trees, offering a perfect blend of elegance, privacy, and sophistication. Step inside to the soaring beam ceilings and light-filled living spaces that invite both comfort and grandeur. The family room anchors the heart of the home, framed by a stunning stone fireplace and open sight lines to the kitchen and dining areas. Every detail from finishes to fixture was carefully selected for both function and beauty. The owner's suite is a true retreat, featuring vaulted ceilings and a completely redesigned spa bath. Dual vanities, a soaking tub, walk-in shower, and custom closets create a space that's both indulgent and practical. From the mezzanine above, you'll appreciate the home's open architectural flow, where Juliet balconies overlook the grand living area, adding a touch of romantic charm to the home's timeless design. Additional features include a private executive study with fireplace, a spacious home gym, and versatile bonus rooms designed for work, wellness, or play. The guest suite continues the theme of comfort and style, each with designer finishes and thoughtful touches, ideal for multi-generational living. Step outside to your own private resort. The backyard has been completely reimagined, featuring a new pool, elevated spa, and many fire features, surrounded by lush landscaping and lighted stone steps. Backing to a protected nature preserve, this space offers unmatched privacy and year-round tranquility. 2105 Bayshore Drive, where timeless architecture, modern luxury, and natural beauty converge. This is life at the Landing. Contact an agent for more details.